Hey, what's up you guys? This is Austin Weaver here at Get Fit Training Systems here in Palm Desert, California. Right now, I want to show you guys how to use this pec deck machine. And you can also work your rear deltoids here on this thing too, and not just chest. But in this video though, I really want to show you how to work your chest on this thing. And then the next video, I will show you how to work out on your real deltoids on this thing. So check this out. Alright, so here you are working out on your upper chest muscles here, your pectoralis major muscles here. So what you're doing is you're grabbing these handles right here. And so you are really going to squeeze in. Just again, focus more on your upper pec muscle. And make sure you keep your head back, your back back. Make sure you squeeze, then you get to the front, alright? And then you're slowly gonna come back. Slowly gonna come front, you're gonna squeeze. Then you're gonna come back, alright? All you're doing right here, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you really love this video, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and also subscribe. And make sure you hit the notifications button too, so that way you can stay updated on all my workout videos here. And please watch the next video on how to work out your real delts on this thing. So hope you all enjoyed. See ya.